Morning guys, Mike and Drew from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Dorman OE Fix ambassadors. Isn't that right, Drew?
That's right.
We're excited. We have an example of one of Dorman's products that was a savior for this customer. It is the fan motor assembly for a Volkswagen 2006. Can you tell us a little bit about the product?
Yeah. So these Volkswagens, these gens have issues with cooling fans. It'll set codes, so your check engine light will come on. Sometimes it's to the point where the fan won't come on, sometimes the fan will be on. Even when you don't want it to be, your car's shut off. Dealer sells all this stuff individually. Dorman sells it all as one group. Main fan, auxiliary fan, and the module all in one.
So this would have been all sold individually through the dealer. We contacted them at basically double the price of what our Dorman product was. So the Dorman number here, for those of you that are interested, that's the number. We got ours through our friends at CarQuest Auto Parts, because that's our main supplier, but it is available through other suppliers, and it'll save your customer money and you time, because it saves having to disassemble everything and reassemble everything. It comes as one complete kit very nicely. So thanks Dorman for another great product on helping us save our customers money and us valuable time.